Good morning, this is Greg at the Pocatello National Weather Service office with the weather hazard briefing for Thursday, January 6th. And the main highlight is snow and lower valley rain will continue today as well as tomorrow. And here are the key points. Snow continues with some warming today. Snow levels should rise to 5,000 feet by this afternoon, and the snow may turn to rain at lower elevations. And the last system spreading more snow into the region, mainly the mountains Friday. Once again, snow levels will drop to the valley floors once again Friday night as the last system of the week winds down. And ridging and dry conditions will move in Sunday and continue into next week. The satellite imagery did not update this morning. Here's the weather risk outlook matrix. And again, snow and wind across almost all areas. We do have some rain and snow mixed. Magic Valley, Southern Highlands, Snake Plain. And again, minor impacts most areas with moderate impacts southeast, eastern Highlands, where we do have winter storm warnings out. And you could locally see up to a foot above 7,000 feet. So again, that's where the heaviest snow will occur today. Friday, with the last system, some moderate impacts in the Sawtooth region, but generally minor impacts all of the mountain areas. The only moderate impacts expected in the Sawtooth and eastern Highlands. And some lingering rain or lingering snow Friday night into Saturday morning, again mainly eastern Highlands. And then as we get into Sunday, no impacts expected. And here are the watches, warnings today. Again, we see the winter storm warnings across some of the Caribou Highlands, eastern Highlands, Idaho, Wasatch is where you expect the heavy snow, as I said earlier. Advisories, again, the I-15 corridor south of Pocatello, where we had some decent snowfall this morning. 2 inches in Pocatello, and again, some heavier amounts headed south. And across the Island Park area, advisories in the Sawtooth region. Here is the snow amounts expected. This is 4 to 10 a.m. Again, the heaviest amounts you can see, some 3 to 6 inch amounts in the Idaho Wasatch and some of the higher mountains east of Soda Springs, north of Montpelier. And as we go through the day, snow totals, you can see some of these up to a foot amounts in the Idaho Wasatch. And again, see 5 to 8 inches, Soda Springs and east. And again, some localized amounts up to a foot. Generally 3 to 6 inches in the Island Park area and 3 to 6 inches mountains west of Stanley. And high temperatures forecast today. You can see we've got the interstate corridor, Twin Falls through Rexburg, expected to get above freezing today. And again, well above normal temperatures across the whole area. Overnight lows tonight, again, many areas right around freezing or not even getting below freezing. Again, across the interstate corridor, generally 20s for low temperatures in the mountains. And some snowfall amounts Friday. You can see some of the heavier snow starting to move back into the central mountains. And again, total accumulations could see 3 to 6 inches there. And again, the Island Park areas where we expect most of the heavier snow to fall tomorrow. And again, this is going to be winding down on Saturday. High temperatures Friday, once again, well above normal. Generally 30s in the mountains, upper 30s to lower 40s in the Snake River Plain. And here we go behind the cold front. We're going to get colder, right around normal high temperatures by Saturday. Generally 20s in the mountains to lower 30s in the Snake River Plain and Magic Valley. 8 to 14 day temperature outlook with the upper ridge building in. We're expecting inversion conditions to develop. So generally near normal to a slightly better chance of below normal temperatures over Idaho, and a better chance of below normal precipitation as well. This is getting into the mid-January time frame, 13th through the 19th. And the summary, again, snow continues mainly in the mountains today. We do expect some warming, snow levels rising to around 5,000 feet, with most of the Snake River Plain, Magic Valley getting rain by this afternoon if any precipitation is still falling. And we have one final system moving into the region tomorrow with a cold front. And again, more snow, heavy snow in the Central Mountains and Island Park area, Centennial Mountains. Snow levels will drop to Valley 4s once again Friday night, but most of the precipitation will be out of the area by then. And ridging and dry conditions moving in Sunday and continuing through next week. That will conclude the briefing today. If you have any questions, contact us at the number listed here 24 hours a day, or visit our websites also at the bottom of the page. Thank you, and everyone have a good Thursday.